Hello everyone and welcome to the MGS version 5 tutorial series. This one I will do it a little bit differently from version 4. Actually a lot different from version 4. Basically, you might know that I'm already developing a video game called Rock Band vs Vampires, which is based on my movie that I directed a couple of years ago under the same name. So basically what I'm going to do is using the multiplayer game system to develop the whole game. Hopefully the goal is to finish the whole game within 2 weeks. Okay, so that's a lot of promises. No pressure, let's get started. So basically this is a fresh copy of the MGS system. If you don't know what that is, you can go to the marketplace and just type multiplayer game system. There you go. And this is it. This is the system that I'm talking about. Basically I'm developing that system. Yeah, I added vehicle system, I added spell and magic on the latest update. You have the inventory, you have, at the inventory have equipment and backpack, which you can click on any of those items and you can see like an item preview, if you will, showing you the stats, and it's comparing the stats of this item to your existing one. There's a loot system, lobby system, obviously it's multiplayer. You can select a character. Yeah, that's the lobby system, and all the menus in here. Start a game, find a game. Game settings is basically you select a level and it will update here the lobby and which game mode you want to play, how many players are going to play, the joined members of the team will appear here as a list. This is the inventory again. It has skill tree system or talent system, whatever you want to call it. A quest system, a vendor, so you can buy, sell, you can also try. Actually there is not much you can show with pictures, but hopefully later on this tutorial series you will see that you can click on any items within the vendor and you can try them before you buy them. Try before you buy. Obviously weapon system, guns. Currently there are 3 different slots for different guns and 1 slot for the melee weapon. Swords, staff, mace, whatever. And then the weapons, there is several classes, but the currently in use are assault rifles, guns, and shotgun slash pulse rifles, something like, that shoots multiple bullets at the same time. Loot system, it drops randomly in your level. Combat system, punches, kicks, takedowns, stuff like that. Yeah, multiplayer. And it's all based on data table. That's why I'm saying that I will make the whole game within 2 weeks. Okay, so this is the multiplayer game system if you are interested. So to start with, obviously I want to bring my assets. So let's see, I know which one I want, so I will go directly to let's see, stylized males and females. Add yeah, you can see it here because I'm using a source control, I mean a source build, because I'm trying to, here we go, because I'm trying to make a game for PlayStation. Add to project. Yep, it's adding. Next, I also need some enemies, so I will use maybe these subculture girls. Pa, 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 pa. Subculture guy. What else do I need? I'm not going to use any weapons because the game is all combat based, you know, like melee combats. However, I will need some weapons, so let's take the ones from Infinity Blade, I think it's called Infinity something. Yeah, Infinity Blade weapons. So let's add those. Do I need anything else for the time being? I mean, obviously I will need levels and stuff. Casual girl. Why not? Casual guy. This will basically give me a little bit of variations. Enemy variations. Yeah, that sounds like a good starting point anyway. Able is one of my favorite assets. I'm damn sure that I'm gonna use it. Oh yeah, we need some particles as well. So let's add the advanced magic. And something that I think it's gonna work just as nice, which is Clazy. No, not Clazy. What was it? Yeah, I think it was Clazy actually. Clazy Runner Action Pack. Yeah, I think that's it. That's a very good start. Oh, we need some punches and stuff, so let's add the open world. And there is movement. What was it called? Movement something? Movement anim set. Sword as well, yeah. Here we go, movement anim set. It has some punches and kicks and stuff like that. I think it also has some hit reactions. So yep, let's start with those. Let's look at the Clazy anim pack and see what does it have. Loads of stuff. . Okay, so the way I'm gonna do this is, let's see, where is the animation blueprint? Here we go. Let's have a quick look at this and see if there is anything specific that we need to be aware of. Whoa, crazy stuff. Okay, graph. Okay, very complicated compared to the one that I have, so let's put it there, and let's look at the MGS. This is my one. So mine is very simple, straightforward. So we need the IF combat, so let's add the IF combat. That's it. So let's take everything here, everything in here, and everything in here. That's all, I think. That's all what I need for now. Let's compile so we don't get the error. Now these needs to start there, and we will have them with initialize character and event begin play. So let's take those actually. Let's come here. Do I need aiming? I don't need aiming. These needs to be hooked, I think, here. Yeah, update animation, so let's hook those. Whee! There we go. Now some of those I will end up giving up. I don't need everything here because the Clazy system comes with crouch and stuff like that, so some of those I will be deleting anyway. Like for example the aim, since it's a combat game, so I won't really need the aim. Instead I think I'm gonna use the aim to lock on target. So this, for example, is crouch, is aiming and all that. I think I'm gonna pass actually. I can keep the rest for now. Okay. Let's see, what else do I need here? This is all comes, and I'm sure it's a lot better in Clazy. Here foot placement and stuff like that. No. Rotating the spine when aiming, neck rotation, aiming again. Yep, I don't need any of those. So let's compile and save. Yeah, I don't need any of that actually. So if I'm going to pass on all of that, but for the weapons we do need to use those. Make noise, yep. So we need those. So let's have a look. Like for example the BS stand, anim sequence. Aiming, no. All right, let's get started, and then when we have problem we solve it. But for now it looks like we are good to go. I will rename this to RBVV. Just so I know which one is which. Also, this is the character he's using. The skeleton, let's rename it RBVV. Hello everyone, Abdurrahman, youtube.com, Laith, Hungry Beer, alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah. How are you guys? I was able to convince them that Indumi is not for me. Just waiting for this guy to finish saving assets, because I renamed the skeleton, which is a big thing, obviously. Here we go. Also, this guy, let's rename it to RBVV. And finally, the physics assets, not opening, renaming. RBVV. Just so I know which one that I want to rely on. And I think this is the character that he's using. There's maps, yep. Play demo map. So if I select this one, this is not the character itself. Run character. So I rename this to RBVV. RBVV is basically the name of the game, as you can see here, and it's the name of the movie as well. I think that's enough for now. The next step is, let's have a look in here. Whoa! Alright. Alright. A lot of things happening. A lot of things happening. I think I'm gonna pass on this thing for now. Get all my characters in place and all that, and then I will come back to this crazy. It's so complicated. So let's leave it for now. But if we go to MGS and we look inside blueprints and then character, mannequin, character, mesh, so they have these names. So let's change those. Call it MGS. Oh, here we go again. MGS. MGS. Okay. Now let's go to all these skeletons, delete them. Skeletal, not skeletal mesh, I need this skeleton. So let's remove this skeleton. So some of those are tiny, like the head for example. I don't need to delete it. Let's see, this is head as well, this is head. Stylized female, I think this is a full, yep, that's the full one. And this full skeleton, weapon accessories. Okay, we'll leave that one. But let's delete this guy and let's look for MGS skeleton. And replace. Let's hope that I don't break anything. Save. Same thing with this. MGS skeleton and replace. Okay. Save. Cool. This will allow us to use the meshes inside the action male and female set. We don't need to worry about the magic, but this, yes we do. Let's have a look. Glasses, don't worry about it. Baseball hat, don't worry about it. Hat, hair, I don't think hair has a full skeleton, but let's double check. Okay. Hair, skin, body. What is skin, body? Yep, that has the whole skeleton. So delete it. Replace it with MGS. Sunglasses, no. This guy is definitely, yep, that's the full character. So deleted. MGS. And save. Save all, just in case we get a crash. So cap, glasses, hair. All of those are just hair and hats. Skin, body. I think this one is a full skeleton. Yes. So let's delete this guy. MGS. Replace. Okay. Classes, and obviously this MGS. Okay, let's go to the next one. Movement anim set. Very important. MGS. Replace. Okay. Open world. Same thing. MGS. Sculptor gear. Glasses, baseball hat. Well, glasses, okay. Hair. All of those are hair. Skin, body, skeleton. Delete that one. MGS. MGS. Sculptor guy. Pretty much same skeletons. MGS. Glasses, headphone, leather. These are all hair. These are all hair, glasses, cap, body, mask, skeleton. What's that? Okay, it's a deletable. Delete it. MGS skeleton and replace. Save. Any baseball. Okay. Finally, the sword. MGS. Replace. Here we go. Finally, all of them are deleted. So the next step is to go to MGS. We don't need to worry about this now. And let's look inside blueprints, characters, character classes. Now my characters, I have one called Anna. She's tough and, you know, she does all sorts of things. And then the green guy, I will call him Will. The orange will be Dan. And the purple will be Pixie. So for Anna, let's see. Meshes. Okay, so I will probably have the head as a base and then attach all of those as separate parts. So female head, hopefully, yes, it does have all the skeleton. So female head will come here. Yep, amazing. That's not how I imagined it. I think I need, actually let's do it this way just to be sure which one I'm taking, and drop it in there. That's Anna, or Anna's head. Now for the head itself, so if we look again and see if there is any hair, well, obviously there is. Hair, female. Oh, that's materials. No, I don't need the materials now. Where is the hair? Cloth, head attachment, here we go. So I think I'm gonna take this. Yep, let's go to Anna and go to head, drop it in here. Okay. Let's see, does this have a separate, yeah, it does have a separate skeleton. Okay, so let's do, it's underneath here. It doesn't allow me. Oh yeah, because I need to go to the parent, go to even more parent, or higher level, let's say, and let's look inside head. And while we're doing that, let's make sure that it sits on the right place. So it's rotating like that, and that Y minus 90. Here we go. Compile and save. Alright, that's the hair. For the arms, I will give her let's give her these gloves. So I don't like that color. Let's see, let's hope she has something with red. Let's try those. Nah. Black and red. Alright, I guess I don't have many choices. I mean, I can play with those, but I will do that later. But for now, let's just leave them. Chest. Again, let's go to the hands, and let's pick maybe this one or that one. Yeah, I'll take these for the chest. Yep, look good. Looking good. Next, legs. Yeah, let's take those. feet. What is skin tight? Nope. Let's take those. Obviously everything is interchangeable, because later on the player will be able to pick new items, new armor and stuff like that. So it's all will be changed, but for now we need to give her something to start with. So cape, forget about it. Backpack, forget about it. Weapons, don't worry about them. Melee, she doesn't have a melee weapon. That's it. That's Anna. She's ready. Let's go to the next one. Dan. Let's open up, go to the mesh, and to make things a little bit easier, let's go here and find male head. Here we go, male head. Dan, add him there. Ha. This one. Alright. Okay, for the head, let's do like Anna, head, and go to the hair, and Dan will have this hair based on the character on the film. It looks similar to that. So for the head, drop that. The arms, nope, not that one, this one. I will give him gloves. However, I think I can change that into some sort of body. So maybe if I select the head and then, oh, I can't copy here. Okay, let's select that, and then we go to the arms and let's drop it. There we go. Yep, that works. For the chest, let's give him something like this maybe. Let's give him that. For the legs, maybe this one. For the feet, I don't have many choices. I mean, I know that I can change the materials, but for now that will do. Next one, Pixie. Now let's select some clothes. Let's see. Yep, I'll take that one. For, I think that's for the chest. I don't know why I jumped to the chest. Okay, let's give her some hair first. Where is the hair? Head attachment. This one. Okay, I need a black one. Here we go. Arms, let's do like Anna, but yeah, let's take the gloves. But for Pixie, we will change the material as well. Arms, here we go. We did the chest, so let's go to the legs. We gave this to Anna, so let's give this to Pixie. Maybe change the color. Let's pick something black. There we go. Feet. Let's see. Can I copy? Yes, I can. Can I paste? Yes, you can. Alright, we don't need to do anything else. So compile and save. Did we save here? And we saved Anna. Okay, good. Finally is Will. Copy and paste. There we go. Head, which is basically the hair. So for Will, I can select this. Yep, that's the only choice I have. Do we have blonde? Let's try that one, just to give it a little bit of variation. Yeah, why not? Then arms. Actually, I can just do that. Copy and paste. Why? Okay. For the chest, what do we have for Dan? Okay, we have that one. So for Will, let's give him this one. But just so he looks a little bit different from Pixie, let's give him maybe yellow. Yeah. We don't have many choices. What's this? Yeah. What else do we have? Nope, this is the original one. Okay, let's keep it yellow for the time being. Next is the legs. So we selected those. Let's actually, I will take the same for Will, but I will also change the color. So yellow. Let's make him the yellow man. Do you know the yellow man, the yellow man, the yellow man? Let's change this to jeans. Yeah, I guess I need to make a material instance of this and then change the colors. So I'll keep it for now, and then I will change them later on. And finally, for the feet, let's just copy and paste. Alright, compile and save all. So if we go to all data tables and then we go to the character classes, so Yeah, so if you go to all data tables and then to the character classes, let's change those. Black, we call her Anna, and let's change the name to Anna. We will do the icons also later, but for now let's say Anna Winterford is the furious, angry vampire who turned against her on race. She wants to become the head of the house. Yeah, let's keep it simple for now. We can put a lot of story later, but for now that's enough. Orange, which one is orange? Dan. So let's change this to Dan. Let's change that to Dan. I don't remember his surname though, but let's keep it simple. So Dan is one of the band member. He's the bass player and the dagger master. Supposingly, probably misspelled it. Supposingly, how do you spell supposingly? No, surprise. I'm actually impressed. I didn't misspell it. Okay. So, purple is Pixie. Pixie. Pixie is the band actual leader, and you will see why she's the actual leader. The actual leader and the tough member. She's the money collector and the sword master. We already said master for the dagger. What do we call it? Sword. I'll keep it master. When I find a better wording, I will change those. Finally, will. Actually, I also need to change this. Do I? Will. He's arguably, that's definitely misspelling. So let's check this spelling. Arguably the leader of the band. He is the singer or the lead singer. He's the lead singer and does not master any weapon However, he is the smartest of all. and also the most peaceful member, and also the most peaceful member. Okay, yeah, let's keep it like that. So now if we go to maps and we go to main menu, what we should see run game mode blah blah blah. Yeah, that's for the Clazy, so we will change that later. Here we go, Anna and the story, Will and his story, Pixie, and done. Now I think this is enough for now. So we prepared the project, we added our characters in the game. Obviously we can select now, but I'm having some compiler errors from, I think it's the Clazy system. So in the next episode we will start working on the levels maybe, and I will also take a look at these errors and see how can I implement the Clazy system, because I'm in love with it. The way it looks in the video, it looks impressive, so I really want it in. Okay, so that's it for me now. I hope to see you again in the next one, and stay tuned. Bye bye.